Welcome to Breezy. We're taking a peek behind the scenes of Candidate Match Score to show you what the feature looks like in your Breezy app and how adding it to your workflow will save you some serious time by instantly showing you which applicants are the best fit for your open role. We'll cover getting the Candidate Match Score set up on a new position, how you can customize it to fit your needs, the different views and options you'll have to see results, and how to interpret those results. So let's get started. You'll start by enabling Match Score and adjusting its settings for each new position. Candidate Match Score can't score candidates that have already applied, so enabling it when you first create a position is going to help you get the most out of the feature. So let's take a closer look at match scoring in the position settings. Click Candidate Scoring, then Enabled. Now we're going to talk a little about these levers. These are how the AI powering Candidate Match Score can understand what's most important to you and how to score your applicants accordingly. So if the set of skills you described in your job description are super important to you, say you need them to know a programming language like Python or a platform like Google Analytics, or they just can't do the job, then drag that lever all the way up to tell the AI, hey, this is really important. Give applicants who have these skills a higher score. Now let's say you prefer the candidate to have a high school diploma and maybe some college, but it's really not a requirement for the job. Set that education slider down toward the left, and the AI will understand that people who meet that requirement should receive a small bump in score. Finally, let's say you've got a budget for this position, and that you know will be managing some people, but not responsible for much outside their given area, say a customer success manager. If it's me, I'd pull that management lever up a little bit and the executive lever all the way down to tell the AI, hey listen, I want to score people without executive experience higher for this position because I can't afford anyone with that kind of experience on this budget. So now that we've got all our levers set up, let's move on to the magic, what you'll see when candidates apply. Here's what your list of applicants will look like, all scored by how well they fit your job description and custom requirements, and you haven't even looked at a single resume yet. To get a ranked list, just click the Match column header to sort by score. You can also view these scores in each candidate's profile, including scoring details on the Team Scorecards tab, so you can see how they measured up in each category you ranked earlier. Match scores are also shown on Candidate Compare if it's available on your plan. Now you can just reach straight out to candidates who are most likely to suit your job, giving you the best chance at securing them for your position without trying to pick from a sea of resumes trying to decide who'd be best to start interviewing. Any new applicants for the position will be scored instantly as well, and you can also batch candidates to send a message or a questionnaire or move them to a different pipeline stage. Your applicants are scored on a scale of 0 to 10. Keep in mind, that's based on comparing their resumes to your job description, not to each other or to any other standard or assessments. So it's really important to have a detailed and relevant job description and to look at scores relative to each other, not necessarily how close they are to a 10. If you're still on the fence, reach out to us by email or chat to learn more about Candidate Match Score and if it's right for your team. If you're on a plan with a dedicated account manager, you can contact them directly. Thanks for watching.